Hello everybody, welcome back to YouTube. Today I have another relic from our nuclear age. This is a pre-nuclear testing nail. And what makes it so special is the fact that it's not radioactive. When you need to make, a sensitive piece of medical equipment and it can't contain any traces of radioactive materials, you have to go look for iron that was manufactured, pre-1940s, 30s. Why is that important? Because pre the 1940s, there wasn't any man-made radioactivity in the soils, in our ores. But these days you can't find that anymore. So there's actually a huge industry of people going and reclaiming pre-World War II, planes and boats from the bottom of the ocean so they can reclaim this metal for medical devices. I just happen to have a piece of pure iron that does not have any ionizing radiation coming off of it. Thanks for joining me. Bye.